Welcome to Just Teachers Renee's channel. Today I'm going to be doing box braids rubber band method. I have done the majority of my hair, but I left a little out because I wanted to show you this tutorial. I use Kankalon hair, 1B30 and 1B27 mix. I mix them up. Right now I'm just making sure that the ends are not blunt, so when I start braiding my hair won't unravel. Now I'm taking the Pro Style gel, or you can use edge control, whatever edge control of your choice, and just put it around the perimeter of your part. I do this in order to make sure that my hair is smooth and that it will look neat when I start doing my braid. Then I take the rubber band and put it around the part of my hair. For me, I love the rubber band method because it keeps all the hair together, and I always know that I'm going to have a tight part when I first start. Sometimes when you start braiding the hair, it starts getting loose as you start pulling on the braid and stretching it, and the rubber band helps me to keep it tight and keep the start of the braid in one place. Now I just put the hair over the rubber band and then use my hair as the third string, and then eventually I take from the other two hairs and blend it in. I hope that makes sense, you guys. And then you just braid it all the way down. And you see how it's pulling, and you see at the where the braid starts, how it's pulling. But because of the rubber band, it's only going to pull so much, and it's not going to slip out. But it doesn't hurt. I tried both methods before, and I like the rubber band method the best. So just keep on braiding, braid all the way to the end, and you see how it started off large, and then as we go down the braid it gets smaller and smaller. So that is the reason why I made sure I fluffed the hair and make sure that the ends were not blunt, and then I just stop. I'm trying to get all my hair over. Trying to see how I parted. I just did, first I started off in the back doing triangles, then I stopped and just did box braids. You can do either way. Now I'm trying to dip my hair in hot water to get my ends smooth instead of raggedy. So for me, I'm putting on a little scrunchie to help me out. So you just dip your hair in hot water. I boiled the water before I put it in the cup, and you just dip your hair. I would say only a few minutes. Sometimes with certain hair it may take longer or to your liking for the ends. So I'm waiting. don't like the ends the first time and smooth them out, you can dip them back in the hot water. Because my hair was so long and I had in the cup, it's not as long. Some of my hair was bending, and so that's why I had to dip it again, because I didn't want any bends in the hair. Now I'm drying it off with a towel. Got it just the way I want it now. And voila, I'm done. You can wear your box braids in many different styles. You can put some of the hair up and wear a type of updo. I guess I would say a messy braid bun. Or you can wear it down like that, or you can pull it back. Or you can wear all the way to the side. Many different ways you can wear your hair. Thank you.